This is the PAWZ Road catch-free, so let's check it out. Here's all the pieces it comes with, and we're gonna start with the base. And by the way, this is how it looks like. I'm gonna start by grabbing this piece at the bottom, A, and then post F. So this is what it looks like. It's gonna be labeled A at the back, and then this is post F. You could see F right over there. Just place it upside down like this, and then we're gonna grab the bolt and then put that big washer through it. And then just screw this in with that included Allen wrench, just like that. And now that that's done, we're gonna install this bolt. And by the way, there's gonna be 3 of these. This goes right over here. And after that is gonna be B. Now keep in mind, there's gonna be several Bs. We're gonna have the green ones, and then also this color one here, the tan one. Make sure to use the green one first, and that's so there's alternating colors. We have tan and then green. And this is gonna be off center just like this. And now it's time to grab this post. This is post G. This is with like that little cactus arm, and then this can go right over here. There, just like that. And now it's time to go up one more level, and I'm gonna be using the tan post this time. And unlike this one that's facing like the left side here, I'm gonna have this off center to face the right. And then here you can get a better look over here. And then once again, we're gonna be using that same screw, or same bolt, just like this. Goes right here. And then the B can be placed over here. And now this time, we're gonna grab this post. This is post F. This is with no cactus, it just looks like this. And screw this into place. And now it's really starting to take shape. And now let's go up a little bit more. And it's time to grab, once again, that same screw again, that same bolt again, right over here. And we're gonna be using platform C. And unlike the other platforms, it has some other things here at the bottom as well too. And I'm gonna off center this, so this was to my left, then to my right, and then this will be to my left again. Just like that, and then the other cactus, label G, right on top here. Yeah, now it's starting to get real tall. It's taller than me already. All right, and now we're going up one more level. But first, I'm actually gonna attach the ball here, and that's gonna go underneath here. There, just like that. And by the way, this ball also can get unscrewed too. Just like that, so it's a lot easier to remove and also replace. But now, let's go to the last step, all the way at the top. And first, we're gonna grab this bolt, and keep in mind, this is gonna be different than the other ones we used. It's gonna have this short part right over here, and we want that to be at the bottom. And this will go right over here. And now it's time for the basket to be placed. And I'm gonna place it right over here. Right there, it needed a little bit of force, but I got it in. Now it's time for the platform, and this one's gonna be labeled E. This is the last one, right there. And now finally, the other cactus, which is gonna be labeled H. This goes all the way on top. All right, there, everything's basically done. Now it's time to attach it to the ceiling and the wall. And for the wall, it does come with this bracket and some other screws, but I'm not gonna be attaching this to the wall. I'm just gonna be mounting it to the ceiling, and that's gonna be with this piece. And there's barely enough clearance. There's probably like a few inches over here, so I'm hoping it'll be able to reach. And by the way, this is spring loaded at the top. So I wanna find the right place, which is gonna be this corner right over here. Now this is the last piece, this is I, but there also is one more other rod here too. This is an extension, but my ceiling isn't that high, so I don't need that extension. I actually don't even know if this one's gonna fit, but actually it might fit, although I think it'll be, yeah, I think it might be too tall still. Yeah, this might not fit actually. Yeah, I needed to go down here, but this doesn't look. So the alternative would be to see if I can cut this a little bit, so it'll be able to go as down as I need it to. Yeah, it looks like I probably have to cut it like about 1.5 inches. So let me just modify this and I'll be right back. Hopefully I can cut this because this is some plastic, but I don't really have a saw, so I'll see what I can do. Okay, that was a lot easier than I thought. I just ended up using a kitchen knife. By kitchen knife, I mean like the utensil kitchen knife. I scored it around a few times and then I just did this and then it came right off and it's decently clean, so I think this will be much better. Yeah, now this goes lower. I will say the spring is very strong. Yeah, I think that's good. Yeah, Yeah, this looks really cool. This is very tall. Actually, let me show you too. Let me just flip the camera over. And there. This is my bedroom, by the way. My bed's right over here on the left side. And now my cat's gonna have a nice place to play as well too. So let's see if he comes. Oh, by the way, one more thing I forgot to mention. It also does come with an extra one of these balls. So if this ever breaks, you can always replace it. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Tiger, come. All right, let's go find him. And also, by the way, the reason I got that one is because I already have stuff that matches it. So I have this tree. Oh, there's Tiger. And then I also have this cat tower as well too that has cactus style. All right, Tiger, come, 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 come. He's gonna be in for a surprise. Come, Tiger, come, 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 come. Oops. Tiger, come. He's right there. Come. Come. All right, this is gonna be his first reaction to it. All right, he still didn't turn. How did he not? Okay. Oh, he definitely noticed now. All right, let's see what he does. Yeah, this thing is massive. Look at that. This is the tallest cat tree he's ever witnessed. Oh, yeah. And there's this new scratching post now. Yeah, I gotta fix that over there, but you can ignore that. But look how small he looks compared to this. Now, actually, one thing I realized is I don't know if he's gonna be able to keep climbing. I mean, he's a cat. He's definitely gonna be able to keep climbing. It's just not a lot of. Oh yeah, he made to the second story now. And now the third. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't put it so against it because it looks a little odd. Yeah, he can't. There's only one right way to go, which is like from the front, but he'll definitely be able to make it. Yeah, and then look how high up he is already. Let's see if I can give him a little nudge to go up there. Tiger, come. Come. All right, maybe I put this a little bit too close. All right, I'll adjust it, but for now, let me see if I can get him up here. All right. All right, let me just show him the right way. All right, it's kind of tough with one hand. There. Okay, there. He made his way up. And now he's all the way on the top. Tiger, come. Let's see if he lays down over here. Oh, yeah, he did it. Yep. And by the way, he's 4 years old. He's, I think, a little over 11 pounds. He's a pretty big boy, and this is how he looks like on it. And by the way, I thought this would have a lot more movement, but no, this looks to be pretty sturdy. So here it is, like me tapping against it. You see it jiggle a little bit. Yeah, it looks fine. Time will tell how this will stand up. I'll leave it like this for now, and then I'll probably end up moving this like a little bit over. I don't want to move it too much since I do want some extra space to put some things here. But overall, this looks pretty nice, and I think Tiger is definitely going to be liking this a lot more. Now he has more options to come and relax. Otherwise, he would usually either chill on my bed or just chill in his carrier right over here. But yeah, that's a quick look at the cat tree.